guys, so it's my lady's birthday today, okay? It's her birthday, and I wanted to make something very nice for her. And so I spoke to my brother earlier today, and he taught me, so I bought Filet Mignon, okay? And he said I needed to use the brown butter method. I was literally just playing Apex with him like a couple minutes ago, maybe 30 minutes ago. And I didn't know anything about this method. So I was taking my time, I was really focusing, really trying to get this correct. Now I just want to show you something. Look at them bitches. Look at that shit. That shit looks like I want to eat it right now. But she has no idea that I'm making this, so I gotta wait for her to get home. And I just wanted to share this with you guys because I want you to know that I can fucking cook. I'm gonna show you the finished product, and once we're done, oh buddy. I don't even know how many times I'm gonna say that, but the smell, it's literally like cooking this thing, it's literally just filet mignon. All you need is pepper, like a nice coarse pepper and a nice coarse salt. You coat both sides real nice. You just put it on the pan, for like 5 minutes on each side, maybe if at that. You just let it like get nice. You don't even move the meat. You just let it sit there. You just let it sit there, let it cook. And then you just put it in the oven for like 4 minutes and it's done. It's done and it looks like that. Oh, and butter. I'm forgetting the main ingredient, butter. You need butter to cook this, okay? I did 2 tablespoons of butter. Didn't even heat the butter up. Just put it right on the pan, dunk, and we good to go, baby. But you're gonna see the finished product, and I bet you're gonna be drooling on the other side. All right, so we're back again. I just got the rice going. So I was initially gonna do like some Brussels sprouts, stuff like that, but I kind of wanted to go a little Puerto Rican. I wanted to make some Spanish rice and beans for my lady because I know she likes the way that I cook the beans because I make it with sofrito, which is a very, very, very important part when you're cooking the beans, bro. If you don't make beans without sofrito, you are not making absolutely no beans. You're not making beans, okay? And that's what that is. That's sofrito right from mama's garden, okay? All right, so I'm about to start cooking up these beans. I got the rice going. It's gonna be amazing. It's gonna be amazing. Okay, so when we're cooking sofrito, we need to make sure that we're using very, very good ingredients. That means all natural ingredients, right? That means the stuff that you need to go to the farmer's market to get. This right here is garlic. Okay, so the only thing that you need when you make sofrito is Ajicito pepper. Grind that up with some tomatoes, some other stuff. You can find an ingredient, or you can find all of the stuff that goes into making sofrito yourself. I know how to do it. Okay, I just chose to use my mom's sofrito because it's good. All right, so once you have the sofrito ready, you then cook it with garlic, oregano, okay, oregano, okay, and some tomato sauce. You put the sauce in first. Then you put the garlic in, and then you put the oregano, and then you put the sofrito, and that's how you make some fucking beans, okay? Just letting you know, that's how you do it. All of the sofrito and all your ingredients in here, like so. It's gonna start to do something in the pot, and that's boiling. Now when you start to see, there's like you'll see like a red sort of film on the top. Once you start to see that red film start to appear, right? And it's starting to happen right now. There's the point in time that you want to add the beans. So let me go ahead and add my beans before the shit burns. This is what it looks like. This is the end result. And now the boiling has kind of stopped and slowed to a simmer. And it's important that you stir the beans, because if you don't, then some of the beans will get stuck on the bottom, and you don't want that. You don't want burnt beans. So We'll just let this sit on a low heat. We're gonna wait until this comes to a boil. Once it starts to like bubble up, we're gonna bring this down all the way down the temperature, all the way down. There's my rice, it's almost done actually. So we're gonna bring that temperature all the way down, let it just cook, and once these beans start to split, once they start to split in the middle, that's when you know they're done. And that's how you make some Spanish motherfucking beans, baby. Product. Rice and beans. Nice side of steak. This is my plate. This is her plate. She likes it a little bit more, you know. She likes the sauce from the beans. So I gave her a little more sauce. But look how fluffy the rice is. You see that? Look at those beans cooked to perfection. Amazing. Look at that meat, that filet, the filet mignon. Cooked very, like, I know it looks like it's well done, but it's actually not. It's just the outside crusty part, which is gonna give us that little bit of crunch, and then the inside is nice and buttery. Ooh. Ooh, boy. Look at that. Look at that. Now that's a fucking meal for your face, baby. And of course, what dinner wouldn't be perfected without the red wine, the Bordeaux. I don't even know if I'm saying that right, but I got a Bordeaux. Yup. Yeah, buddy. Dinner for two. Rooster Tip. And there she is. Oh shit. Okay, guys. Remember how I told you that the meat in the center was actually rare or well done or medium rare? So as you can see, it's nice and red. This is my lady's plate. Okay. She's not done eating it yet. She's not done yet. But do you have something to say in regards to the food, young lady? How's your birthday dinner? Did you enjoy it?
I had a horrible time.
Horrible time. Right.
Yeah, like he burnt this to the crisp.
It's burnt to the crisp.
I mean, how could you get red meat wrong?
Yep.
The beans tasted like corn.
Wow.
That was very confusing.
That's the the ingredient. It's the corn ingredient that I left out of the, yeah.
And then the rice tasted like grits.
It's because you mash it up real good.
So bad.
She's hating. Don't listen to her.
I don't even know why he called this a meal.
Tell the truth. Tell the truth. Tell the truth. Take your sip. Tell the truth. Truth time.
I had a horrible time.
Well, that's how you cook a filet mignon. Thank you to my brother who gave me some really good advice. Thank you. I appreciate that. And
look at your hat. Oh, yo, this
what?
camera is noise. Hold on, stay right there.
What happened?
Please.
Does it look okay? Do I look crazy?
Oh, you look good.
I look good. What are you doing?
I was trying to take a picture.
Don't take a picture. Anyways, so thank you to my brother who gave me some really great advice. And if you want to know more about the ways in which I prepared this, I will have everything in the description below. Make sure that you follow the directions, first of all. If you need a recipe for sofrito, make sure you pick up the book, Rice and Beans and Tasty Things. Okay? There's a recipe to make your own sofrito in that book. That's probably the best book, the most authentic way to make sofrito your own way.
Or you can just maybe Google it.
No. Rice and Beans and Tasty Things. Find that freaking book. Make the sofrito from that book. It's not hard. It's time consuming. It's not hard, but you won't regret it. Okay, I promise you that. And that's how you make a really good meal. And yeah, that's about it. Look at it. Look at it. Guys, anything to say about how that tastes?
This is really awkward.
Anyways, guys, peace, much love. Thank you so much for watching.
Perfect.
Thanks for watching, guys. If you liked what you see, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Any engagement helps. And as always, my friends, peace, and much love. I'll catch you on the next one.